Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add Solana network to MetaMask. So if you're new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our other videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your MetaMask interface, and when you're inside the MetaMask interface, you just have to look on the top left hand side of the screen. There will be a drop down menu, so you just have to click on it and a pop-up box will appear, and in the bottom there will be add network, so you just have to click on add network, and when you're inside the add network section, you just have to look on the bottom. There is add a network manually option, so you just have to click on add a network manually option, and when you are inside this interface, now you just have to go to the next web page, and when you're inside that web page, you just have to click on the search bar and you need to type RPC info, and RPC info page will be open right in front of you. Now you just have to search for Solana and click on that, and when you have clicked on Solana, then the RPC URL, native currency and block explorer of Solana will be shown to you. So you just have to copy this and paste it in this box. So firstly, you need to give the network name. You can give the network name anything as you want. I'll just give Solana, and after that I just have to copy and paste the RPC URL, the currency symbol and the block explorer URL. And when you have entered all the information, now you just have to enter its chain ID and click on the save button. After that, the Solana network will be added to your MetaMask. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.